In this video, we'll go over NERVOS Network. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is NERVOS Network? The NERVOS Network is made up of a number of protocols and innovations. It's important to have clear documentation and technical specifications on key protocol design and implementations, for which we utilize an RFC process. However, we feel it's equally important that we help our communities to understand what we try to accomplish, the trade-offs we have made, and how we have arrived at our current design decisions. We start this document with a detailed examination of the problems that public permissionless blockchains face today, and the existing solutions attempting to solve them. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The most straightforward way to increase the throughput of a blockchain is to increase its supply of block space. With additional block space, more transactions can flow through the network and be processed. Increasing the supply of block space in response to increased transaction demand also allows for transaction fees to remain low. Bitcoin Cash adopts this approach to scale its peer-to-peer payment network. The Bitcoin Cash protocol began with a maximum block size of 8 megabytes, which was later increased to 32 megabytes, and which will continue to be increased indefinitely as transaction demand increases. For reference, following Bitcoin's implementation of segregated witness in August 2017, the Bitcoin protocol now allows for an average block size of around 2 megabytes. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 10 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.